So the different people cook the different meals for us. ठीक है, वो हमारे लिए different meals बनाते हैं. जैसे ज्यादातर क्या होता है, घर की जो women's होती हैं, महिलाएं होती, they used to cook for us in kitchen because they divide. Women's used to cook every time in our home, है ना, घर में हमारे मम्मी ही हमारे लिए खाना बनाती है. So they get easy to it and they used to cook for the small gathering. वो लोग आराम से खाना बना सकते. So they used to divide their work. Divide कर लेती हैं work. आधे लोग पूरी बना लिया, आधे लोग सब्जी बना लिया, आधे लोग कुछ स्वीट डिश बना ली. For a larger family celebrations like birthday and weddings, today many family hire a banquet halls, catering service or an event manager to make the food arrange. अभी क्या हो गया है, अभी लार्जर मतलब एक बड़े पैमाने पे बर्थडे करते हैं, होटल्स बुक करते हैं, वहां पे तो हमारे घर की लेडीज जाके खाना नहीं बना सकती. So they used to do what? They book the hall, they order, give the order to the catering one. Catering means जो सारे खाने की व्यवस्था देखता है. They used to give the tender to the catering one. They use the catering looks after all the things, the drinking water, food, snacks, everything. उन्हीं लोग देखते हैं और उन्हीं लोग करते हैं, क्योंकि जब लोग ज्यादा होते हैं they need more people to take care, है ना. तो that happens with the cater. वो caterers के पास ही होते हैं, तो इस वजह से caterers को बोला जाता है, दे दिया जाता है कि आप लोग इसे संभालो. We also eat food together while traveling in trains and aeroplane. अब एरोप्लेन या ट्रेन में हम कहीं जा रहे हैं तो सभी एक साथ ही हम लोग खाना खाते, जो भी हम पैक में खाना अपना लेके जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. यस, स्टार्ट रीडिंग नीला.
Page
Unmute your
number?
mic, नीला. Unmute your mic.
Hire a banquet halls, catering service or an event manager to make the food arrangement. We also eat food together while traveling in trains and airplanes. Airlines make every effort to see that their customers are comfortable and happy. They offer a menu card with a choice of meal to the passenger. In the Indian trains, the common kitchen is called pantry car, and an attendant goes to passenger and asks if they would like to order food. He provides vegetarian and non-vegetarian option and notes down the food choice. According to the choice given, the food is served in a small foil container from the pantry car on the Rajasthani and Shatabdi Express train. Food included in fare and is served at the seat.
Okay, so airlines make every effort to see their customers are comfortable and happy. अब जिन लोगों ने एरोप्लेन में ट्रैवल किया है, यस निशांत, ऑन योर कैमरा. एरोप्लेन्स में ट्रैवल किया, वहां क्या होता है, एयर हॉस्टेस होती है. देयर इज अ एयर हॉस्टेस टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन, है ना, सभी का टेक केयर करती है, चाहे वो खाने से हो, if किसी को वॉशरूम जाना है, if किसी को कोई चीज चाहिए, they used to take care of them. Okay, they offer a menu card with the choice of meals to the passenger. There is a menu card, the same menu card which we get in hotels or restaurant for eating. The same menu card is provided in the airlines also, कि हमारे पास ये अवेलेबल है, आपको जो चाहिए आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. In Indian train, the common kitchen is called pantry car. अब ट्रेन में जो किचन होता है उसको हम pantry car कहते हैं. Underline this line, everyone. In Indian train, the common kitchen is called pantry car. Underline this line. Underline this line in your book, everyone. In train, we call the common kitchen is called pantry car. An attendant goes to passengers and asks if they would like to order food. ठीक है, एक कोई attendant pantry car से आता है और जाके सभी से पूछता है कि क्या आपको कोई फूड चाहिए, किसको क्या चाहिए. He provides vegetarian and non-vegetarian options and note down the food choice. Now, whatever the people tell that we like to order this, he used to write it in the copy, and that order is given to the people, those who orders the thing. According to the choice given, the food is served in a small foil containers from the pantry car. Small foil containers होते हैं जिसमें अपन ये बाहर से कुछ अपन को पैक कराना, मोमो हो या फिर एनीथिंग हो, अपन को एक फॉइल जैसी कटोरी में चीजें मिलती है ना, तो वही कटोरियां वहां अवेलेबल होती है, एंड इन दैट ओनली दे यूज्ड टू फिल द फूड एंड सर्व इट टू द कस्टमर्स. on the Rajdhani Shatabdi Express train, food is included in the fare and served at the seat. राजधानी एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन जो होती है वहां पे क्या होता है, जब भी आप टिकट कराते हो उस ट्रेन में, तो उसी में आप टिकट में ही आपका फूड का खाने का भी पैसा कट जाता है, तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पे नहीं करना होता है जब ऑर्डर लेने कोई आता है। लेकिन बाकी ट्रेन में क्या होता है, आपको एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ता है जब भी आपके पास कोई फूड के लिए आता है कि आपको कौन सा फूड चाहिए। ओके, यस, स्टार्ट रीडिंग इच्छा।
Yes, ma'am. Contivy eating.
Community eating.
Community eating. It in the case of community grass, their food is made in a large common kitchen. Langar is good example of common kitchen. A langar is
attached
to very
Gurudwara.
garret. There are open air langars at the time of festivals and
Okay. So community eating. In the ease of community eating, food is made in large and common kitchen. एक common kitchen होता है जब भी community मतलब like भंडारा होता है ना, वहाँ एक common kitchen होता है, वहीं पे सब जाके खाना बनाते हैं। एक लंगर है ना, जो गुरुद्वारा में पंजाबी लोग कराते हैं, लंगर होता है जहाँ they used to make a large amount of food in the kitchen and it is served to everyone. Each and everyone who comes to Gurudwara comes and pays a visit here, they get served with the meals in the Gurudwara. Open langar at the time of festivals and Guru Purab. अब उन लोग का पंजाबी लोग का जो त्योहार होता है गुरु पूरब, then there is a open langar and anybody can come visit and eat. Yes, Kritika, start reading.
Women play an important role in the preparation of langar. The children help in serving food to the banquet. Everyone is welcome to share the food. No one is turned away. The food is served twice a day. Each week, a family or several families volunteer to provide and prepare the food. All the preparation, the cooking, and the washing up is done by volunteers called Sevadars.
Caterers are not allowed. Okay.
Caterers are not allowed.
Okay. So women play an important role in preparation of langar. ठीक है, women's का एक important role होता है langar prepare करने में. The children help in serving food into the pangat. मतलब पंगत मतलब जो लोग खाने के लिए बैठते हैं ना, those who will sit for the eating and the children there used to serve the food. आप भी कहीं जाते हो, कहीं भी family gathering में जब भी खाना होता है, you used to serve them, है ना, आप लेके जाते हो, आप कहीं पानी दे रहे हो, कहीं पूरी दे रहे हो, कुछ दे रहे हो, you used to serve the food. Same way here also children help them to serve the food. Everyone is welcome to share the food. सभी लोगों को बुलाया जाता है कि कोई भी आके फूड को शेयर कर सकता है, दे सकता है. No one is turned away. किसी को भगाया नहीं जाता है. The food is served twice a day. Every week, a family or several families volunteer to provide and prepare the food. अभी क्या होता है, food हर week के 2 दिन मिलता है ना, 2 दिन. There is a decided 2 days where this food is given. So each week में कोई भी फैमिली आके इस चीज को कंडक्ट करा सकती है. कोई भी फैमिली बहुत सारी है तो वो भी आके कंडक्ट करा सकती है ये लंगर. All the preparations, the cooking and the washing up is done by volunteers called सेवादार. अब वहाँ के जो सेवादार होते हैं जो वहाँ पे काम करते हैं वो सब utensils को wash करना, everything they used to do there. Caterers are not allowed. अब जो hotels के जो शादी वेडिंग्स में केटरर्स रहते हैं वो लोग अलाउड नहीं रहते। यहाँ पे जो वहाँ काम करते हैं गुरुद्वारा में वही सेवादार वहाँ पूरा काम देखते हैं। ओके यस संस्कार स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
Bhandara is another food distribution program. It is an important part of Navratri celebration. During Bhandara, Prasad is distributed to everybody. The Prasad consists of fruits, sweets, puri, chole, and halwa. Food is so together as midday meal. This food is simple but nutritious as it is meant for students.
ओके संस्कार
The midday meal is free.
भंडारा इज अनदर फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोग्राम। ठीक है भंडारा आप लोग बहुत सारे भंडारे में गए होंगे ना, जब भी रामनवमी हो गई या फिर कोई भी फंक्शन होता है तो मंदिरों में क्या होता है भंडारा होता है। इट इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशन। मोस्टली इट इज कंडक्टेड ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि। व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग भंडारा प्रसाद इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू एवरीवन। आप गली गली चौराहे चौराहे चौक चौक पे देखोगे दैट भंडारा इज गोइंग ऑन। पीपल यूज्ड टू पुट द थिंग्स इन अ प्लेट एंड गिव टू द पीपल। It is called the Bhandara. Prasad consists of fruits, sweets, puri, chole, and halwa. This is are the prasads which is there in the that cup. Food is also eaten together as midday meal in the school. Now in government school there is midday meal scheme due to which the students can come to the school, है ना। क्यों क्या होता है खाना नहीं मिलता तो लोग पढ़ नहीं पाते है ना। तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक स्कीम निकाली है कि जो मील होगा जो दोपहर का खाना होगा वो स्टूडेंट स्कूल पे ही ले सकते हैं so that the students can come study and eat also. The food is simple but nutritious as it is meant for the student. Food बहुत simple होता है लेकिन nutritious होता है क्योंकि वो students के लिए होता है। The midday meal is free of cost. आप उसका कोई पैसा नहीं लगता because it is from the government. It is provided by the government in government run school. ठीक है सारे सरकारी जो भी government school होते हैं there the midday meal program is going on. Children eating healthy food like egg, bread, paratha, roti, sabji, and drink milk or juice. These all items are provided. In most schools, the midday meal is fixed for each day of the week. अब midday meal का जो रहता है मेन्यू वो फिक्स रहता है हर दिन बच्चों को क्या देना है। Okay, yes, come to the next page. Yes, Nishant, start reading.
Boarders at schools and colleges eat in the mess of their hotels. Eating during helps them to get to know each other and overcome the difficulty they face living away from their families. In the mess, children eat nutritious meals that are similar to the food cooked at their homes. Often they enjoy exchanging dishes with each other so that they get to eat their favorite items.
Okay.
Many different
Okay, Nishant. So boarders at school and colleges eat in the mess of their hostel. ठीक है अब कोई यहाँ से रीवा से कहीं और पढ़ने जा रहा, they used to live in a hostel or they used to live in a rooms, so they get the food from the mess. Mess में रहता है, mess में क्या होता है common kitchen होता है, there only food is prepared and it is distributed to each and every student. Eating together help them to get to know each other and overcome the difficulty they are facing away from their family. As they are far away from their families से दूर है तो there the hostel they used to make the students sit together and eat. एक साथ बैठा के खिलाते हैं ताकि बच्चे एक दूसरे को जाने और एक दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सके because they don't have their families there, so they are only their families, so they used to know them very well so that they can discuss their problem and happiness with them. In the mess, children eat nutritious meals that are offered to the food cooked at their home. जैसा घर पे खाना रहता है वैसे ही वहाँ पे भी बनता है. Often they enjoy exchanging dishes with each other so that they can eat their favorite items. Many defense personnel eat together in the mess every day. They have a fixed meal for each day of the week. क्या होता है आर्मीज में भी used to sit and eat together है ना सभी साथ में खाते हैं and their menu is also fixed. Cultural diversity. Food is one of the main aspects of Indian celebration. Food is the main aspect है ना Indian celebration means कभी भी wedding है कुछ भी है food is the main part. Tasty meals are served to the wedding guests in different parts of India. At a Maharashtrian wedding, a couple of days before the wedding, a feast called Kelvan is organized at both the bride's home as well as the bride's groom home. ठीक है, couple of week मतलब एक वीक से पहले क्या होता है एक फीस्ट क्या बोलते हैं उसको कैलवन ऑर्गेनाइज होती है दोनों लड़का लड़की के घर में सो दैट दे कैन कम एंड ईट. One day before the engagement ceremony, the people enjoy वांग निश्चय meal. Engagement से पहले एक मील होती है जिसका नाम होता है वांग निश्चय meal. At the Tamil wedding, Nandi is a ritual in which few Brahmins are invited from both sides of the family for a feast. On the completion of the feast, the Brahmins are prepared sweets and fruit. ठीक है, अब क्या होता है तमिल में क्या होता है नंदी एक रिचुअल है नांदी जिसमें ब्राह्मण्स को बुलाया जाता है and they used to give them the food and they are given some sweets and some fruit. That is the ritual कि ब्राह्मण्स को बुला के खाना खिलाते हैं. Kashmiri wedding. At the Kashmiri wedding, food consists of more than 30 dishes called wazan. ठीक है, 30 dishes से भी ज़्यादा dishes होती है शादी में कश्मीर में. A special sweet dish named murdan is served to the guests. Kehwa, a herbal tea, is served with simla. A special type of Kashmiri roti, mutton, chicken, or fish are seen on the main plates. Vegetarian dishes include dum aloo and chaman, fried paneer in bricks. These are the menus which we get when we go to visit to the Kashmir wedding. Okay, so this chapter was all about the food, what we take, what are healthy for us. So the assignment for you for today is that you will prepare a chart. क्या करोगे आप कॉलम बनाओगे 3 कॉलम बनाओगे ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर. अब आप जो ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हो उसकी ड्राइंग बनाना लंच में जो खाते हो उसकी ड्राइंग बनाना डिनर में जो खाते हो उसकी ड्राइंग बनाना और नीचे नेम्स लिखना. You have to write the names whatever you eat during breakfast lunch or dinner. ठीक है, this is your assignment as your homework. You have to draw this in EVS copy in white page. white page पे बनाना है EVS copy में 3 columns बना लेना breakfast lunch dinner का and then draw the diagram and name the product whatever you eat during breakfast lunch or dinner. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so for tomorrow we will start the exercise. Okay, some time is left, we can solve it. Okay, come take out your pencil, pick the correct option. It is attached to Gurudwara. Answer will be langar, B option. Pick the correct option का पहला वाला B होगा langar. B option.
Ma'am,
langar.
Ma'am, langar.
Yes, click on langar. Food served in schools are called.
Ma'am, midday meal. Midday meal.
Ma'am, midday meal.
हाँ, midday meal. Click on midday meal. Click on midday meal, everyone. Bandara consists of.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these. All of these. Ma'am, all of these.
Yes, all of these. Click on all of these. Now write one word answer. A small family celebration. A small family celebration where elders prepare food at home is called picnic. Right here, picnic. First one, it will be picnic. Right here, picnic. A large family celebration outside the house, it is
Wedding.
Weddings, right there, weddings. A community gathering to eat food in Gurudwara is langar.
Langar.
Yes, langar. Right there, langar, everyone. The kitchen in a train is pantry.
Ma'am, pantry car. Pantry car.
Pantry. Pantry car. Right there, pantry car. Fifth one, a meal with people serve themselves is buffet.
Buffet.
Yes, buffet. Right there, buffet. Buffet. Right there.
My work is completed, ma'am.
Done? Everyone have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
My work is completed. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my work is also completed.
Okay, so come to page number 70. There is one activity given. Yes, page number 70. There is activity given. You have to match the ladies with the food. You have to match the ladies with the food. Do this as your homework, everyone. Okay, you have to do this homework with everyone. जो ladies आपको जहाँ की लग रही है, जैसे first picture is of Kashmir, so you will match it with Kashmir and do other by yourself. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. And our class, and we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, class. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Good day, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Thank you.